Today I'm going to read the story, The Ant and the Grasshopper. You'll have to be a very good listener because there are no pictures. When you're done listening to the story, you'll get to retell the beginning, middle, and end. Let's get started. Once there lived an ant and a grasshopper in a grassy meadow. One summer day, the grasshopper was sitting and singing to his heart's content. Then the ant crawled by carrying a heavy grain of corn in his mouth. All day long, the ant would work, collecting grains of wheat and corn from the farmer's field far away. "Why not come chat with me?" said the grasshopper, "instead of working all the time." "I am helping to collect food for the winter," said the ant, "and recommend you do the same." "Why bother about winter?" said the grasshopper. "We have got plenty of food right now." But the ant went on its way and continued collecting food. When the winter came, the grasshopper had no food and was dying of hunger. The ant, however, had plenty of food to last the winter. Then the grasshopper knew it is best to plan ahead.